Welcome to the Stir Fry Action channel. Look for our action and gaming videos. Please subscribe down below. Don't forget to slap the bell and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing and enjoy the video.
We do it like a stir fry. Darn, darn.
Crumple up the paper. You probably need to get more paper on there, Carson. Lay it across. Yep. Yep. Stack them up. Just lay them across like those other ones.
It's a bit thick, are you sure?
Yeah, that one be alright.
Stick it with the point up. Oh, like that. Like that.
Supposed to add more wood to go, guys, but right now we're just...
Yeah, looking good.
Thick, but still good. Yeah, really nice. Still good wood. Built shoes? We didn't have thick like those. We had one like... Today they went camping. We made a fire here. You just chopped down a tree and like cut another piece off and had that circle part, and then you chopped up like the bark. That's what we had. We had a flower tray. We just basically had like flat pieces of wood. Yeah, that was fun too. Is Carson, Grandpa, look up? Pictures. Anna, did you want to know too? Nope. Anna, okay, look at your phone.
Okay, let's get my fire starter.
We'll go get the fire out. The floor and the fire starter.
Fire starter, come on over here.
Fire starter. You said fire starter. Are you a fire
Hold on to it
starter?
for a little bit. Fire starter.
We're holding on to this right now.
Wait a minute, let me give you one with one.
I didn't fire starter. Last year.
Hold on to this one, this way.
I bet a fire starter.
We'll give you a lesson.
Somebody else will do that first. What? Fire starter.
When you get that on fire, you hold it out with your finger and you lift this up. Don't hold it down like that because the fire will...
So if it's like this, I lift up.
Like that, like that.
Right.
Good, perfect. If you hold it like this, the fire will come up and stick to you. And your finger will get on.
Okay.
If you hold it like that, the fire will go that way.
Good. Okay, we'll try.
Now, I'm going to light these, and then you stick your match in this fire and get it started. Everybody gather around the...
I don't know how to gather around.
Don't throw your match. Just hold on to it and put it under the paper. Put it under the edge of the paper.
Got it.
Where's that at?
Can you put a piece of paper out a little bit farther and closer to the edge so she can reach it better?
Here?
Yeah. Oh, no, we can't hold on to your stick.
You have to hit the light up.
Hold on to it too?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on to that thing. I got it now.
That's it. Ooh, we missed
Okay.
it. Get over
Pull
here.
it out, Maren. You gotta wait. You gotta light it first.
Yeah, light it.
Ah! I have no idea how to do this at all.
I've done the light the last time.
Can I get mine on fire? Come on over here. Whoops, sorry,
You'll get
buddy.
your 75 in a sec. Right, so.
No.
Everybody's gonna hold on to the match and put it in, hold on there and watch it catch fire.
And we'll drop it in if you can't reach it. Whoa! Should I throw it or not? No. Try and get it lit. Hold it still. Up.
down under.
Slowly drop it in there. There you go, perfect.
Perfect. Maren, woohoo! Yay for Maren! Do you want to get a picture? Got it. Maybe you guys do like dancing on what you would.
I don't feel comfortable with using a lot. There's a box over in the picture.
I'm gonna use the lighter.
Oh, this guy.
Then, it's under there. Woo! Yeah, look. Wait, look right there. I can see the map.
Perfect.
Yep.
Nice job.
Alright guys, so we're gonna look at most of on this side. Can you make more TP? Smoky. I'm gonna put some wood in, guys. I'm not over the wood.
I forgot. I didn't mean to wear these over here.
I'm gonna put this in the pile, okay? Yeah. I'm putting more wood in. Not bad. Not bad. We're gonna take this wood out and we're gonna redo this piece of wood video. It's not good. I'm glad it's not going after me. Like last time I went camping, this book literally followed me everywhere.
This wood is not as dry as last one. No.
It was more wet. Smoke's fun. That's the fun of it. I think that's a lot of wood. I'll take some wood out of it. Oh, this is a really weird piece of wood. Okay. This is a really thin one. Put it on there. Burning. It's a far bigger when the wood's warm or dry or wet.
Well, when it's wet, it makes smoke.
It's getting bad. It's a really smoky.
Move your chair back.
Well, you can move your chair now. This is really smoky, but this is really wet. Guys, look at all that smoke, guys. It's so much smoke today. It's a really smoky one today. But that is the fun. It is a little smoky, though. It's about to be a bit smoky. It's a wild one. It's a wild one. It's blowing. Good job. Good. That's TP style. It smells so bad. Get another seems like we're in a lockdown, but we're in quarantine at home already. We're getting lockdown. Yeah, we're back to normal.
If I didn't slow down, I would have won.
John, where are the ham wipes? Are they in there?
In the pocket, outside pocket of the
There's all serious smoke going on.
rubbery truck pocket.
This is where it went. I think it's where it went today. Because we were planning and then we thought we should do it because everybody have a chance to come. Ooh. It's really smoky today. It's a bad one today. Got smoke.
On the back, my new shoes are in the back. Okay.
It was really wet today. It's very smoky.
Careful, put your hand close to that.
That did not make it.
You got it.
Alright. Smoke, it's a very smoky one.
Hey, it's getting kind of warm here, don't you think?
This one smells really smoky. We need to move. It's a smoky one today. Yeah, that's the pod, guys.
Filming the fire?
Yes. There's the fire. Ooh, it's hot! Alright, move. The fire's blowing this way. It's a big fire now. It's so hot. I'm filming right now, bro. Hot over here. It's smoky.
Guys, take a look at that. That is a bug on my leaf.
This is definitely one of my more smokier ones. Too hot. I'm moving. Too hot. So hot. This is the hot.
Here, you can sit on this plastic. I lost the picture. What do I have to do here? Up here?
It stops the video.
Get down on the upwind side. Carson, buddy. You'll do better on this side. No, they're fine. Right over there in the middle is where it's hot. If you can get there. Get down low and sneak it up through there. Right down here. Get on your knees. I'll get you plastic. Carson, what'd you do when the picture went off?
Good.
What do you do when the picture... Nah. What do you want to get?
Push on the side button to come back on.
Where's that?
There's one. For everyone you want to push to come back on. There you go. Got it.
No, you still got to... You don't have good blisters on it yet. Kobe, you got a lot of heat coming out right there. Well, that's good. You had a good spot there too. Get up there a little closer to it, and then it'll make some blisters on there. If you can hold your hand down lower, not the wiener, the hand. Looks pretty good, yeah. I'd say you're ready. I think you got a ways to go there, partner. Yeah, I think. Put your mask up here, that's good. It's getting there. You can keep holding it down there a little bit. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. You're almost ready. Carson. Kobe, if you can get yours, if you can hold your hand down low here and put it in and right over the top of that log. That's it. Get your hand down low though. So
It's burning hot. I don't know how to.
with your hands up too high. Get it down here where it's cooler. That's it. Now you got it. Oh. Sit on the logs.
Well, you can just get a bucket or a chair. Bring a chair over.
Well, the chair. We'll get you a bucket. Is that a hot dog fire or what? Did you have it done good? All right. Supervision. Number one hot dog. Okay, we're gonna do this.
We'll do that s'mores.
I don't know. The other night there was something. The other night there was.
What was it?
There were some hot dog cookies over there, guys. Hot dog cookies.
Carson, you ready for another one?
So, filming the hot dog cooking for a little bit. I'm a drink. I'm not drinking in a while, so sorry guys. We're recording the hot pot making right now, just so you can see everybody else make some.
Yours looks like a sausage.
Ooh, it's hot. Oh, mine's getting nice. Come over this way, Smell.
Oh. No, I know, but like, you got it.
Is my hot dog done?
Getting pretty close, man.
Believe me, I know it's
It's already been recording.
I know, it's good.
You got to be quick though with this one because I'm telling you, those marshmallows you got to turn them.
Okay, pull everything back for a second. I'm gonna flip this thing.
They'll flip it towards cars.
Oh, flip it towards the car.
Not towards cars, but...
Right in there.
Whoa!
Smoking hot.
It's burning, bro.
I tell you, we could sell
Oh.
it. Just watch Grandpa though, chap him in the face.
Oh, the golden.
Yep.
I'm
Okay.
not. Take the first one off.
Well, if we got to do the sides a little bit.
The side of my gold.
Don't tip it down so much. Put it a little flatter.
The marshmallows go right over that white stuff over there.
Like, come over here.
Whoa, oh my God.
Right here. Stop.
Wow.
Okay, now turn it. That's it. Count to 5 and turn it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, look at that.
Count to 5 and then turn it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Careful with the...
Keep going. You need a little bit more, I think.
Oh, I have a burn. Let me go a little bit.
Right. Put it out there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting a little brown. Hey.
Pretty good. I don't know. Maybe a little bit more. You need a little bit on that side.
It's working.
Here, I'll do it then. Here, you hold the camera.
Alright, we'll swap a bit. I gotta go and play well. I gotta store it. What?
I'm gonna mess up this time.
S'mores.
Oh, that was close. I thought it was gonna catch fire.
That's actually perfect.
That's a pretty good.
Yeah, but I want to get the other side.
It's all perfect.
You gotta rotate.
Yeah, that.
That's right.
But,
look at that.
oh, let's go.
They're not gonna get me. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it all.
Make my own difficult, but I could do make my own, but then I have a lot of burn ones. I actually like it. I think it's a
you
little
better
good.
stop right now.
Oh, God, I think that's a perfect marshmallow.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna run with this one.
You have a plate?
I do. Oh, a little ketchup for the plate. I don't want a ketchup plate.
Well, get a new plate. Get a new plate.
I know. You know, I'm just gonna use this plate again. Come on. That's okay. I'll mix it. There's more, guys. Putting on the white on the zone. Five. It's hot. It's not cooked at all. I put it 5 seconds.
That's okay. You gotta keep doing 5. Yeah, you're good. Keep doing it the same way. 5 and turn it. So after a couple turns, you'll start getting it perfect.
The first one looking good. You gotta get the size of the little white cell. So.
Okay.
So hot. Don't put it back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's see how we're looking. And bake the plate. Let's do this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be going faster than that.
Maybe. You need to turn it. There you go.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Give that side another 5.
That 5?
On that side, yeah, because it's still pretty white.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not so put
Oh,
white.
Nana's got a problem.
That's too sticky.
She's like, don't worry, I got it.
Guys, it still puts white. I'm not going to do my 5.
You gotta tip. You gotta get that. There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the gold.
The top one's pretty good. The bottom one, you have to tip it up a little bit so the bottom one gets a little more. Right, like that. There you go.
Not getting anything.
Like this. You gotta get this one over here.
I like that poise one pretty good though. Trust it.
There you go. See, now you
That's perfect. Gold.
click on me. Come over here, maybe. How's that?
But that's looking good. That's looking gold. It's a little white. Gold's the best. Look at it. A little bit more.
Hey, be careful. We're playing with fire. I don't know. I wouldn't go any more, probably.
No, stop.
It's pretty golden.
I'm just gonna take the gold and I'm gonna go with it, guys. Grandma's taking up the fire. I'm taking it.
That's not a liter. That's a gallon. Got a little burst. There you go. Come over here by me on this side.
Still, I see red, Maren. So there is.
Ah, you're pretty good. No, there's still more in there. Go ahead. Can you handle it? Is enough out of it? Oh, look at that. That's it. Get it out in the middle. There you go. Oh, there's a winner.
Smokey would be proud of us.
Smokey the Bear. Yeah, Smokey the Bear.